Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Ali Gohar and I've been teaching IELTS for the last 20 years. I have already attended hundreds of seminars and workshops all over the world in which UK, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, Canada and USA. I have already got the command teaching IELTS. The reason is I have already worked with highly expert and experienced instructors in all over the world. Being an IELTS teacher, I do have a command because I have already got the degree of psychological teacher. I do have a command to understand psychological issues of my students, especially if they are not definitely getting their score according to their requirement. What and how I have to do it? First of all, I need to let you know something all about the way how we definitely get students prepared for IELTS. First of all, what I do, I assess the student according to his skills. Some of the students I have seen, they are quite good at listening, reading, but not in writing and speaking as well. So after attending hundreds of seminars, workshops all over the world, collectively I have got the data and statistical data. What are the reasons the students are not getting their required score? Sometimes it's not necessary, always they are not getting their score. So the reason is from the year 2000, I started to teach IELTS, and up to the present, I'm doing the same. I have attended hundreds of seminars that I have already mentioned before and workshops all over the world in many of the certain different kind of the universities in UK, USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. There are 4 sections. Everybody knows all about like reading, listening, writing, and speaking. And after getting the practice or having a great deal of experience in this part, last time I attended my workshop in Toronto, and before that I was doing the same work in Germany. So this is my brief introduction of teaching IELTS. When my student joins me, and afterwards I provide him unbelievable and endless text practice in order to he could get his required score. Thank you very much. I do hope that you will definitely like, subscribe my channel, and certainly afterwards we'll start working on online IELTS classes.